Good morning, everybody. I'm Vipin Bhatti here to explain you about the IEEE protocol. The protocol means the set of rules which are specified just to make sure the smooth transfer of data, which also makes sure the security and prevent the corruption of data. So, what is the origin of Ethernet? Ethernet is found by Xerox Palo Alto Research Center in 1975. Originally, it was designed for 2.94 Mbps system, which can connect 100 computers on a 1 kilometer cable. Later, Xerox and UC drew up a standard support for 10 Mbps. Basics of IEEE 80.3 specification. Ethernet basic. So, it is it uses Linux and Starburst topology, and signaling is mainly done by the mainly baseband issue. Access method is CSMA-CD, usually stand for Coverage Sense Multiple Access, with with collision detection. Specification, as we all know, is IEEE 80.3, and it can provide a data speed of 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, and can also be above. And it use the cable, coaxial cable, or UDP cables. So Ethernet frame format. This is the Ethernet frame format. Well, this part preamble is from the physical layer, and rest of the is controlled by the data link layer. Preamble makes just to is prepare our protocol set of rules just for the data transfer, and we have destination address, source address, and FCS frame check sequence. So if you want to access the Ethernet address, you can go to control panel, and the properties, network properties, you can access the Ethernet address as shown in the image in this slide. And Ethernet address are 48-bit long, and which are governed by IEEE standard, usually imprinted on Ethernet card when the cards are manufactured. And there are some of the examples of like Cisco, Zercom, and Sun, and Nokia, IBM. So now we are going to discuss about IEEE frame format. Well, Preamble, as you all know, is of a 8 byte, and it have we have destination address and source address, which are both are of 6 bytes and 6 bytes. Destination address is the destination where we have to transfer the data, and source address is the source from which it is going to transfer. It is the length of the length of the data, and it is a data size, which can be maximum size we can get is 1500 bytes. And FCS is for the error control, error error control. It makes ensure if there is no corruption in the data. So access method CSMCD. Well, career sense and multiple access collision. It check if the line is busy or not. If the line is free, it's good to transfer data. So let's assume we have two computers. Both computers want to transfer send data. So they both going to wait for some time. If the data if the line is free, they're both going to transfer the data. But the career detection before transfer doesn't always work. So see, in this example, it's shown they both are waiting for the transfer of data, and when the line is free, it's going to transfer the data. But what if they both transfer the data at the same time? So if they both transfer the data at the same time, it's going to be cause the collision of the data, and the collision signal is going to generate, and when it is accessed by our node, it going to wait for some time and going and try all over again. CSMACD design consideration. More computers on the lane, higher chance of collision, as we have explained earlier. If there are more computers, then where we have a high chance of you know collision and traffic. So retransmission may result in collision again and cause further delay. As a result, the network becomes standstill. Hence, Ethernet is suited for low traffic networks. So there are some speeds are some speed standards according to which our IEEE can transfer the data. First is 10 base T. 10 base T, where 10 refers to the 10 Mbps baseband over twisted pair cable, running Ethernet over twisted pair cable wiring as specified by IEEE protocols. So they can also use unsealed twisted pair and RJ5 plug and socket, and they usually configure in star pattern. The twisted pair cables, unsealed twisted pair cables are most popular, maximum length of 100 meter and more susceptible to noise. And where EITI commercial building by standards are given as below in diagram. This is a typical 10 base network, and it is a summary of 10 base summary, like category of 3, 4, 5 UTP and connector RJ5 cable at the end, 100-meter long, coaxial fiber optics, and total computers per line is 1024. Advantages of 10BC are easier to manage, scalable, cable iron itself is relatively inexpensive, and drawbacks are high attenuation lead to short segment length, need good infrastructure planning beforehand. And 10, this is the 10 base 2 type of cable. It also called 10 base 2 because it carries signal roughly 2 times 100, means actually 185 meter, and use thin coaxial cable configured in linear bus pattern. Both ends of the segment needed to be transmitted to avoid energy bounce back, can introduce collision if without termination. To reduce interference, can ground the terminator and never ground both ends, as there can be voltage difference in both ends. This is a diagram of a typical 10 base 2 network. It also it follows 543 rule. And some let's revise what we have studied for the 10 base 2. So maximum segment length is 185 meter, and minimum distance between is 1.5 meter. T joints connected to NIC BNT connectors and cable coaxial. Example is RJ58. For it follows 543 rule. Max total network length is 925 meter, and computer per segment is 30. Pros and cons of 10 base 2: it is easy to install, easy to configure, and drawback difficult to maintain. Capability itself is expensive and not extendable to 100 base systems. 100 Mbps networks. Multimedia network application push the development of faster network. Server Ethernet standard exists, like 100 bay is VG AnyLAN Ethernet and 100 base X Ethernet, which is also for fast Ethernet. It is 10 times faster than 100 base X system, compatible with existing cable systems. 100 VG AnyLAN, originally developed by Hewlett Packard, currently being refined and rectified by IEEE 802.12 committee. Specifications: minimum data rate is 100 Mbps, support a cascade star topology over Cat.3, 4 and 5 twisted pair and fiber optic scale. Use demand priority access method, support for both Ethernet frames and token ring packet. It is a star-based topology. Max distance for hub to computer is 250 meter. Now another is 100 base X Ethernet, also called fast Ethernet, specified by IEEE 802.3 mu addendum, extension to the existing Ethernet standard, run on UTP, unlisted twisted protocol, Cat.5 cable, and use CSMA CD in star wired bus. Can be easily plug and play over the existing system. There's there are some of the see 100 transmission speed and 100 Mbps basic signal type baseband, T4 cable type, 4 telephone ground twisted pay cable, TX cable type 2 ground gray twisted cable.